So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to you all here today at the Old Parliament Town Hall in the historic city of Westminster.
I was there in the moment the stars came alive, and I swear now you're holding the light in your eyes. I get lost in the open ocean of time.
So we are here today to witness the marriage of Nish and Baleni. And on their behalf, I would like to thank you for joining them to witness, celebrate and participate in this, their wedding ceremony. Nish, do you take Baleni to be your wife? Do you promise to comfort her in life's sorrow and pain, to rejoice with her through good times, and to remain true to her for the rest of your lives together? So Baleni, do you take Nish to be your husband? Do you promise to comfort him in life's sorrow and pain, to rejoice with him through good times, and to remain true to him for the rest of your lives together?
I call upon
these persons here present to witness that I, Nish, do take thee, Baleni, to be my lawful wedded wife. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Baleni, do take thee, Nish, to be my lawful wedded husband. So, on behalf of the City of Westminster and everyone in this room, it gives me the greatest pleasure to declare that you are husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Congratulations.